Gas logs are a great way to upgrade your existing wood fireplace. They offer convenience, instant flame, and are low maintenance. One of the most important things to consider when choosing a gas log set is making sure you get the right size. So today, let's talk about how to measure your fireplace for gas logs. There are 4 measurements we'll need to take. We'll start with potentially the most important, which is the rear wall width of your fireplace, which is usually the limiting factor on how big of a log set you can go. Next, we'll measure the front opening width, the depth, and for this, we'll actually measure from behind the ash slip here, and then the height. Now that we have our fireplace dimensions, we're going to compare that to the sizing chart from the manufacturer for the logs we're looking at. Based on the front width, the rear width, depth, and the height, we can see that a 24-inch log set will fit great in this fireplace. This will ensure the log set is centered while leaving room off to the side for their control system, ensuring it doesn't overheat during use. By taking a moment to measure your fireplace, you can make sure to get the right size log set the first time. If you have any questions on which size log set or just which log set is right for you, don't hesitate to give our NFI Certified team a call today.